Took you long enough, Mount Holly.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon through this evening. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northern Delaware, northeast Maryland, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in northeast Maryland, Cecil and Kent; in New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, and Warren; in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Montgomery, Northampton, and Philadelphia. From 2 p.m. this afternoon through this evening, thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon in southeastern Pennsylvania into northern and central New Jersey. The strongest storms will be capable of producing locally heavy rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches in as little as an hour. Additionally, storm motions today will be slow, and storms may sail over the same areas. As a result, instances of flash flooding are possible in the watch area. In the areas of heaviest rainfall, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, poor drainage areas, and urban areas may occur between mid-afternoon and late this evening. A flash flood watch means that there is a potential for flash flooding which can be life-threatening. Heavy rain is expected to occur over a short period of time. Rapidly rising flood waters may quickly inundate roadways and areas of poor drainage. Streams and creeks could leave their banks, flooding nearby properties. Please monitor the forecast, especially if you live in a location that is prone to flooding. Be prepared to take action if a flash flood warning is issued for your area.